Welcome back to my channel. Today on the menu is mango chicken. I'm going to use 2 ripe Julie mangoes, also jalapeno peppers, seasoning peppers and onion, which I'm all blending together in my food processor. After I blend them in my food processor, I'm going to heat them in a pan, and while I heat them in the pan, I'm stirring it, adding about a tablespoon of sugar as well as some adobo seasoning, to my taste of course. To this, I'm going to add chicken stock, which I got when I parboiled the chicken. So I'm stirring that in well. After that, I'm going to add to that the tomato sauce. So this tomato sauce is the same type of sauce that you'd use like for pasta and so on. So I'm mixing that along with some bay leaves, or filament leaves as they call them. So when it starts reducing, that's when I'm going to add my chicken. So in adding my chicken, I'm going to make sure the chicken gets well coated with the mixture. And the next step is where I'm going to add it to the baking dish. So at 350 degrees, I'm going to bake this chicken for about 20 to 25 minutes, and it's ready. Mango chicken.